Welcome to the channel Computer Knowledge. Please like and subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video. Let's come to the topic mathematical operation on series. Okay, how to perform the mathematical operation on series. In this 107 code, import in 107 code, addition will be performed. Okay, import pandas as PD means pandas is the library and PD is the alias name of pandas data structure. S is the object of series and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the data which is passed on the argument pass as an argument of series constructor, and index label is A, B, C, D, E, and S of 1 plus S of 2 we want to print. S means S is the object of series and 1 is the index label, and S is the object and 2 is the another index label. S of 1 plus S of 2 means here index 1 value is 2 and index 2 value is 3. So 2 plus 3 equal to 5 will be print. That's why the output is 5. Okay, next in our 108 code. Okay, in this code subtraction will be performed. Import pandas as PD. Pandas is the library and PD is the alias name of pandas library. S is the object and PD is the alias name of the pandas series. Okay, series is the constructor and we pass 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the data and index label is A, B, C, D, E, and in this code subtraction will be performed. S of B means B is the index label and S is the object, minus S of D means from S object series D is the index label. S of B means index B value is 2 and index D value is 4. So 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2 will be print. Next, in 109 code, import pandas as PD. In this code, multiplication will be performed. Asterisk is the symbols of multiplication. Import pandas as PD. Pandas is the library and PD is the alias name of the pandas library. Okay, S is the object and series function is the constructor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the data and index name is A, B, C, D, E. In this code, multiplication will be performed. So, S of D multiplied with S of 2 means S is the object and D is the index label, multiply with S of 2 means S is the object and 2 is the another index label. Here index D value is 4 and index 2 value is 3. So 4 multiplied with 3 is equal to 12 will be print. Okay, next is our 110 code. In this uh, in this operation, next is our 0 code. Okay, in this code division will be performed. Import pandas as PD. I have already told that panda is the library and PD is the alias name of pandas data structure. S is the object and series is the constructor which is pass some data and index label. Data is our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and index label is A, B, C, D, E. S of D divided of S of 2 means S is the object and D is the index label and S is the object, 2 is the another index label. Here index D value is 4 and index 2 value is 3. So 4 by 3 equal to 1.333 will be printed. Next is our 111 code, okay, of floor division. In this code, import pandas as PD. Panda is the library and PD is the alias name. PD dot series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the value and index is our A, B, C, D, E as per the user defined. Okay. S we have to print the output of S of D floor division of S of B. Here index D value is 4 and index B value is 2. So 4 floor division with 2 is equal to 2. Next is our power function, or how to use the power of a number. Means in 2 asterisk is used for the power. Okay. In 112 code, import pandas as PD. Is equal to PD dot series 1 2 3 4 5 is the data index label is A B C D E. So I want to print the power of A sub D. A sub D or index D value is 4 and index 2 value is 3. So 4 to the power 3 is equal to 64 will be the output. Okay. We can do any mathematical operation on the total series. Let's see how. In this 113 code, in 113 code C, total mathematical operation will be performed on the total series. Okay, import panda as PD. S is the object and S is the object of the series. Total series will be performed or total series will be perform the mathematical operation of power. Okay, S of double asterisk is the power function. So total series is perform the mathematical or square function. Total series is the total series will be perform the power. The total series will be perform the square of the series of data value. Okay, S of power 2 means S of power 2 means S of square. Okay, A B C D E is the index label and 1 2 3 4 5 is the data value. So 1 to the power 2 means 1, 2 to the power 2 means 4, 3 to the power 2 means 9, 4 to the power 2 means 16 and 5 to the power is our 25 is the output. Okay, next is our in 114 code. Okay, in this code we have performed the subtraction operation on the whole series. Okay, import pandas as PD. Pandas is our Pandas is our library and PD is the alias of pandas data structure. Okay, S is the object and PD dot series is the PD dot series our constructor and index label is A B C D E and the total series will be performed or subtracted from um, 12. Okay, 12 subtracted from all the values. So a index, so A index 10 minus 12 is the minus 2 is our output and 2 minus 12 is our minus 10 is our output. Okay, 30 minus 12 is 18, 40 minus 12 is 28 and 50 minus 12 is the 38. Okay, here is the here is the total mathematical operation on series.